Ron, and I'm here in Pacific Palisades, and I want to show you a job we completed here. So we did this gate here. There's a lot of knock-knock style burglaries in this area, which is why this lady wanted to basically close the property a little bit better, so people cannot just walk to the door, knock on the door, and make sure nobody's home and then break in. So we added this gate right here on the driveway. We also added a fence on top of the wall here, and that goes all the way over there. This is more for the dog, so the dog wouldn't be able to just hop over the fence. And the gate, what we did for it, we added a couple of electrical operators right there, and then we added a keypad on the outside for entry and a keypad on the inside for exit, and then a firebox for the fire department. We, as always, added a sensor here to make sure the gate doesn't close on a parked car. And another thing that we did is we added this nice mailbox here, so the mail carrier, which now cannot go to the front door, would be able to drop off the mail. So pretty much a nice addition to the perimeter security of this house. A nice looking classic style gate, operated obviously with two operators, so with a click of a remote, a lot of convenience in that, and then all the necessary attachment to it, as well as a mailbox and some fencing. Overall, an upgrade to the perimeter security of this property, and a really good look at the same time. So that's it. Another very successful and beautiful project by Mulholland Security in Pacific Palisades, California.